Hey guys, today I want to show you a new feature we just released. Now when you open up a task, there's this timer here, and it starts every single time you open up this task. And the reason why this timer is really helpful is this time will be used whenever I go to log time or complete time. So for example, if I've done all the work I need to do on this task, and it took me 2 minutes to do, when I click complete, it'll automatically populate 2 minutes here. The reason why this is really helpful is, let's say I'm a technician, I go out to work on replacing a filter for an HVAC. I go out to the HVAC, open up that task, it starts the timer, and then once I'm done with that filter, I can close out that task and it'll automatically track how long it took me to do that. This will help make sure that people are logging time and they're logging it accurately. Additionally, let's say I'm working on a task that is going to take a couple days, and so I want to log time partially on it, but it was a really busy shift. I worked, 50 minutes on it, and I just forgot to do it. Now with Limble, if I close out of this, it will prompt me saying, hey, we noticed you closed out the task without logging time. Here's the log time form in case you need it. And the reason why it asked this is because it noticed that I was looking at this task for more than 1 minute, and actually the default is 5 minutes, but it noticed that I was looking at this task and I didn't actually log time. Now you can change how long you want to wait. Like I said, the default is actually 5 minutes, but for the purpose of this demo, I had it set at 1. So you can do, if they're looking at a task and they've been looking at it longer than 10 minutes and they haven't logged time, then we prompt them, or you can simply disable it. And the reason why we do that is sometimes like managers will look at tasks and they'll just look at it briefly, maybe 30 seconds or just 2 minutes. We don't want to prompt them to log time. And so this feature, this customization helps you resolve that. This is our new feature. As always, we're always trying to make this better. So if you have any feedback on how we can do that, please don't be shy. That's how we make a great tool. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.